Hi! In front of me is CAT S75 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into Settings. Then scroll all the way down and select About Phone. Now click on Device Name section and type in wherever you wish to. Lastly, tap on OK and confirm your choice by choosing OK in the device name pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my smartphone has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!